In today's video, I will teach you how to create a spherical collage in GIMP. Let's get started. Creating a spherical photo collage in GIMP can yield stunning and unique results. Let's break down the process step by step. Start by opening your pre-made collage image in GIMP. You can create your collage using GIMP itself or use other software like Photoshop. And to import your collage, go to File, then Open, or simply press Ctrl-O and select your collage image. Now, ensure that your image has transparency by adding an alpha channel if it doesn't already have one. To do this, go to Layer, Transparency, and add Alpha Channel. If the option is grayed out, your image already has a transparency layer. Now, select the Ellipse Select tool or press E on your keyboard. Now click and drag to draw a circular selection on your image. And to apply the Spherize filter, go to Filters, Distorts, then Spherize. In the Spherize dialog, set mode to radial, angle of view to 0, curvature to 1, amount to 1, resampling method to linear, and choose Use the selection as input. Then click OK to apply the filter. Now we're going to delete the background. Invert the selection by going to Select, then Invert. Then delete the background by pressing Edit, then Clear. Then deselect by going to Select, then None. Now we're going to resize the spherical collage. To do this, use the Scale tool or simply press Shift-S to resize the spherical collage if needed. Click anywhere inside the collage and adjust the width and height, and press Scale when done. Now we're going to move the spherical collage. Use the Move tool to reposition the spherical collage as desired. Then click and drag anywhere inside the collage to move it. Now duplicate the layer by going to Layer, then Duplicate Layer or simply pressing Shift-Ctrl-D. Now rename the duplicated layer to Reflection. Then move the duplicated layer below the original layer. Now select the reflection layer and go to Tools, Transform Tools, then Flip. Then choose Vertical under the description options and click to apply the flip. Ensure that the reflection layer is selected. Then go to Layer, Mask, then Add Layer Mask. Then choose White Full Opacity in the Add Layer Mask dialog. Now we're going to apply the gradient. Select the Gradient tool from the toolbox. Then set the gradient type to foreground to background. Then ensure that your foreground and background colors are black and white. To do this, simply press the D key. Now click on the Layer Mask box and drag the Gradient tool from bottom to top to apply the reflection effect. Now we're going to create a new layer from Visible. To do this, go to Layer, then select New from Visible. This will merge all visible layers into a new layer at the top of the stack. And finally, save your project file in GIMP's native file format XCF by going to File, then Save. Additionally, you can export your image in a widely used format like JPEG or PNG by going to File, then Export. By following these steps, you can create a stunning spherical photo collage in GIMP, perfect for showing your creativity and adding an artistic touch to your images. Experiment with different images and effects to personalize your collage further. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.